Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. So you might remember I got this giant lemon from Worthy Flavors and everybody asked me what I'm going to do with it. So I'm going to juice it. I'm going to freeze the lemon juice because it won't keep very long fresh, but I'm going to freeze it in an ice cube tray. First, I want to see how much a regular size lemon, how much juice comes out of that. And we'll juice a regular lemon and find out how much juice comes out of that, and then we'll juice this giant lemon and see how much juice comes out of this, because it might be more, but it might be less. You know, sometimes lemons are dry on the inside, so we're going to find out. So first, I have my juicer here. First, I'm going to peel the lemons because I've tried juicing lemons without peeling the lemons before, and they get really bitter. The juice gets bitter. I don't really care for that, but if you have a juicer like this one, or even a more expensive kind, you can actually leave the skin on and juice it that way. You can. It's absolutely fine to do that. I just prefer the flavor without it. The reason I'm putting it in ice cube trays is so I can freeze it and use it with my morning mojo. That is part of my 10-day detox and 28-day transformation program that some of you might actually have signed up for. So if you're interested in that, go to aimeericca.com/programs and you can join me and the rest of us with that. And if you use promo code YouTube, you'll save a little something. I can't remember what it is right now, but there is a savings if you use promo code YouTube, but there's only so many of those available. So make sure you do that really soon. Okay. I'm going to put this in here, put this down, and you might use your juicer differently depending upon how your juicer works. Put the plunger down and then turn it on. And for things like lemons, you use low. Wow. So that was just a regular lemon that I got from Trader Joe's. Oh, wait. A lot of winding down. So that was just a regular lemon that I got from Trader Joe's, and let's see how many ounces that is, because I don't, does this tell us? No. This tells us cup and ounces once we get higher. So let's see how many ounces this is. Wow. So that's 3 ounces, which is like 3 ice cubes. That's a lot of juice out of that one lemon. Wow. Now, let's see how much this big lemon. Now, let's get the skin off of this and see how much this yields. First, we're going to cut this a little bit because it's huge and it's not going to fit in there. Wow. Guys, that's the inside of this huge lemon. It's huge. Absolutely huge. I do have to say that the skin is pretty tough on this. It's hard to get off. Because that white part is really bitter, we don't really want that. How can we do this? Okay, now we're peeling it. There we go. Let's see, will that fit in there? Just barely. Wow. Okay. We're going to push that down. Okay. We got one of those, one half of the lemon in there. So now remember, guys, this one lemon had given us 3 ounces. You know what? I'm going to keep going with this. Now it looks like way more than that one lemon. Okay. So let's get this thing peeled and do the other side of it. Already looks like more just from 1/2. Okay. The other half of it. Wow. Okay. So it already has more. So that one giant lemon, this is the 10 mark here, and it's right above it. So it's between 10 and 15. So I'm going to say this is about 12 ounces. Wow. Let's put it in an ice cube tray and find out. Because each ice cube is about 1 ounce. Yeah, so that's about 12 ounces. I want to top it off with this because there's still a little room in some of these. And that way, I'm going to put some in my other glass. And that way, I have freshly squeezed lemon juice right in my freezer for my morning mojo as part of my 10-day detox and 28-day transformation program. And again, if you're interested in those programs, there's a link in the description down below. If you like this video and enjoyed watching me juice a giant lemon, hit the like button. If you think other people would like it, share it on social media and with your friends, and hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right next to it. I do about 3 or 4 videos a week. Some of them are unboxings, some of them are juicing lemons. You never know. You just don't want to miss any of the content. So make sure that you tap that bell. This is Aimée. I will see you real soon. Bye.